Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
I have this tip which says don't use cash. I'm totally fine with you using cash. I use cash. Cash is great. What I'm not fine with is business owners, such as myself, who forget to keep track of that receipt and forget to log the cash spent in their accounting software. One of my concerns, or one of the things that I see happen, is that people buy business things with cash and they think, oh, I'll log that tomorrow, or I'll take a picture of that receipt tomorrow, and tomorrow doesn't come. And suddenly you have expenses you've never captured. If you don't capture your expenses, a couple things happen. You don't know how much it costs to run your business, because some of the money spent to run your business was never logged into your accounting software or accounting solution. And then when it comes time for taxes, you don't have all of your expenses that you could be deducting, because some of those expenses are on a receipt wadded up in your pocket. So just be mindful. You need to be able to rely on your ability to stay organized. So if you're the kind of person who can definitely stay organized and definitely keep track of your cash that you spend for your business, fantastic. If you can't, then try not to do it.